Alisha, stay with us. We have some more inside scoop now and breaking news coming in at this hour. There are two more Bollywood stars that are now under the scanner of the NCB, and there are WhatsApp conversations between Aryan Khan and other stars that are also now under the NCB scanner. Let me now go across to Shravan Sen, who's also joining us and closely tracking these developments shortly. But we have some more information, and this is certainly massive because NCB has shortlisted 4 more locations where searches are to be carried out.
Absolutely. That's the initial information that we are getting as of now. This is in regards with the WhatsApp conversation that the NCB is looking deeper into, and it seems that these WhatsApp chats related to Aryan Khan and others, including other Bollywood actors, we are told that is something that the investigation is still being carried out. As we broke the story of how there could be more names that could be under scanner of Bollywood actors or those who are related to the Bollywood film industry, that names could also come up now in the NCB investigation. It seems to be getting clearer now. That is what is being said so far. More names could come up. More actors could be under scanner. As far as Ananya Panday is concerned, she's left her residence a short while back. It remains to be seen if she's actually headed to the NCB office, Richa. But this is a non-stop breaking update that we are getting to know as of now. When it comes to other actors, we are told they could also be now under NCB's radar.
Right, Amita. In fact, even as we are tracking these developments of Ananya Panday, who has left from her residence in Bandra towards the NCB office, we are getting these inside scoop of 2 more possible Bollywood stars who are now under the scanner of the NCB. Remember, the NCB is looking at the larger nexus that operates within Bollywood to really make these crackdowns. And there is WhatsApp conversations between Aryan Khan and other stars that are also being looked at by the NCB, and it is under their scanner. Meanwhile, NCB has shortlisted 4 different locations where searches are being carried out. There are drug peddlers that are also connected to the accused that will also be questioned once again. And so possibly we are now expecting more names from Bollywood. These are actors and other celebrities who might be called in for questioning after digital evidences have now emerged from those WhatsApp chats and conversations that was mentioned in the NCB while they were opposing the bail in the court as well, in that special NDPS court, where they did mention that there is incriminating evidence against the accused who have so far been arrested as far as this entire nexus that operates, and that's what they're looking at now.
Absolutely. So right now on your screens, Ananya Panday leaving her residence. We are told that her father is also accompanying her, but it remains to be seen if they are en route NCB office right now. But 4 other locations we are told that has been shortlisted by the NCB, but the NCB has also come out with an official release that it has come out with an official release saying that there were no raids that happened at Mannat when the first team from the NCB was actually dispatched.
Right.